Hello, my crafty friends. Irina here, a lady behind Crochet Masterpiece. I have created this channel so I could share my passion and love towards this amazing craft. You will find tutorials about toys, clothing, and just a library of beautiful patterns. So subscribe, leave me a question or suggestion, and let's crochet a masterpiece. Today I will show you how to make this very easy octopus soft toy that is reversible. It's super cute, super easy. So let's get started. For our project today, we're gonna need a yarn. I have Sweet Snuggles in the color yellow and in the color green. We're going to need a crochet hook size 6.5 millimeters, scissors, 2 sets of eyes. I have it with the green lining and the yellow lining, and a needle. Oh, and a little bit of a block yarn to sew a nose. So let's get started. Let's make a circle, a tight one, and then chain 2. And now we're going to work 6 single crochets in the first chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here we will join with the slip stitch. Okay, so now I will add my marker. And we will work 2 single crochets in each stitch. 1, 2, 3, 2 single crochets in each stitch. Okay, next row, we're going to work 1 single crochet and 2 in the next one. So 1 single crochet, 2 in the next. One single, 2 in the next. One single, 2 in the next. And we're going to finish this round with 1 single crochet and 2. All right, so again, I'm gonna add my marker. Next round, we're going to work 2 single crochets and 1 in the next. So 1, 2, and 2 in the next. And I will meet you at the end of the row Let's finish this round with again 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and 2 increase in the next. Now let's turn our marker again, and here next row we're going to work single crochet in 3 stitches and then increase in a 4th. So oops, got the marker in there. 1, 2, 3, and increase in the next. 1, 2, 3, and increase in the next. Continue in the same pattern, and I will meet you at the end of the row. Let's start our next row. This time we're going to work 1, 2, 3, 4 single stitches and then increase in the 5th. Increase here. And I will meet you at the end of the row here. All right, next row we're going to work 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 single crochets in each stitch and then increase in the 6th one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue in the same pattern, and I will meet you at the end of the row. Let's continue with the next row. Here we're going to work 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 single crochets and then increase in the next one. And we'll repeat the same around 3, 4, 5, 6 and increase. All right, and just work the same all around, and I'll meet you at the end of the row. At the end of the row, if you count your stitches, you're supposed to have 48 stitches. Next 2 rows, we're just going to work single stitch in every stitch. So 2 rows. Again, I'm gonna add my marker. Just work single stitch in every row, in every stitch, for 2 more rows. I will meet you right here at the end of the row. So here I am done with 2 rows of single crochet, and next row we're going to decrease every 5 stitches. Let me show you how we're gonna do that. So we're gonna work 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the next 2 we're going to work together. So just grab the top loop of the other stitch and pull through both. Decrease is made, and the same thing all around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and decrease next 2 stitches. Just grab the top loop, grab the other loop, and pull through. Continue all around, and I will meet you at the end of this row. Next row, we're going to work again just a single crochet in each stitch. Here we're going to decrease every 4 stitches. Three, 4, and decrease. Three, 4, and decrease. Continue in the same pattern to the end of the row, and I'll meet you there. And we are down to a very last row, and we're going to work legs here. So work single crochet in the first stitch, then we're going to skip 1 and work 2 double crochets, 1 treble crochet, and 2 double crochets. And this is our leg. So we're gonna skip next stitch, and work single crochet in the next one. Okay, so again, skip next stitch, work your leg here, 1, 2 double, 1 treble, and 2 double. Skip next stitch and work single stitch in the following. Continue in the same pattern, and I'll meet you at the end of the row. And we are done here. This is what you're supposed to have. I'm gonna remove my marker, and don't cut the yarn here because we're gonna sew them both together. So this is how I add eyes. I will count 8 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you just stick an eye there, and then count 8 stitches in between the eyes. 1, just do it like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the other eye will go here. Okay, perfect. A lot of people like to glue the eyes. I use little stoppers here so they don't fall out. And let's make the nose. Okay, so this will be the middle, and from the nose we're going down 1, 2, 3 rows, and you can add a yarn here. That's it. Nose is ready. And we're going to repeat exactly the same thing with a different color yarn. So here, as you can see, I already added an eyes and a nose. So now turn this inside out, and we will stick it inside the other octopus. Preferably that the legs will match to each other. And now we're going to stitch 2 together. All right, so let's connect these 2 together. Gonna just take each stitch. All right, so continue like that all around. Okay, I worked single stitch all around, and we have connected the green one with the yellow one. Here I'm gonna cut the yarn, make a knot, and just pull it inside. All right, and here's our octopus that is reversible. Look how cute he looks.